Happy Easter by Kurt Weise. Creatively read and adapted by Miss Jill. "Go get me some eggs," said Mother Rabbit to her two children. "Hurry," she said. "There is only one day left to color the eggs and to hide them in people's gardens." So the children started off. They hurried as they were told, and they went all the way down the hill to where the hen lived. Good morning," said the rabbits to the hen, who sat on her nest with her feathers all spread. Good morning. Could we have some eggs?" See, we're in a hurry because there's only one day left to color the eggs and to hide them in people's gardens." First the hen said, "No." But the rabbits pleaded and pleaded, till at last the hen said, "All right, you can have these, but I've been sitting on them for 3 whole weeks, and not one will hatch." So she helped the rabbit children carefully pile the eggs in the baskets. And then they carefully walked all the way back home. Meanwhile, at home, Mother Rabbit had prepared everything to color the eggs. And soon, the whole family was painting eggs with the colors which had been left by the last rainbow. They sat and painted and sat and painted and looked at their beautiful work. But then it happened. Shh, listen. There was a crickle here and a crackle there, and the noise came from the eggs. Pop! It went, and the egg in the mother's paw burst open, and out came a chicken. Popped from everywhere, and all the eggs cracked open, and out of every one came a little chicken, colored like the egg it came from. Just then the hen came up to the door of the rabbit's house just to see how the eggs would look in color, and there she saw all the little chickens. She said, and the chickens all came running to her. And then she led them all home. The rabbits looked on after them, and there were no Easter eggs that year. But, oh, such beautiful chickens there were. The end. Hey, I was going to tell you about a fun experiment. Now, you know when you color eggs, the actual chicken doesn't get colored inside. But you can actually snip a flower, maybe from your garden, preferably a white one, and if you put it in colored water, the flower will soon turn the color of the water. If you like the books that I'm reading, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you'll be kept up to date when I post a new one.